Kublai sibun ipi baro koneksi ke tangan pentip ipi ya ka recruitment balapan mi da ka umyam arjar sau ka pus kedai yong professional tu the ICAR research complex for NEH region Umroi Road Umyam Meghalaya invite application for the young professional to post under some project. The last date of the submission of the application is 2nd September arjep sau. The last date nakamtaban submit the application kadai artrik September arjep sau. Number of post iway. The age limit namta kini post kadai arpois 6 adu sau 6 dia kane lakai lang bat ka age relaxation. Kajing siu namta kini kadai sau rajar akashi benai. Ka qualification namta kini post kadai post graduate degree in soil science, microbiology, agricultural, microbiology, biotechnology, environmental science, any other related discipline with research experience in soil microbiology with proper evidence. Jadi bantuan ya ka degree ka soil microbiology, agricultural, biotechnology, environmental science. Kawai na paling kini pilih bantuan ane kibaya hap bat kanika post. Desirable qualification candidate having hands-on experience in conducting field and laboratory experiment on soil, plant, microbe interaction, soil microbial culture characterization, identification, and having a thorough knowledge of statistical analysis and documentation will be given preference. The eligible candidates are requested to send their application in the enclosed pro forma and self-attested scanned copy of the relevant document through email to amas@icarneh@gmail.com on or before 2nd September sau. The candidate ba ban apply kini ki post kya ban pa application ki self-attested copy kiban scan hakane ka email bala buang na ha swaka atrik September ajar sau markin pa naka biodata upload ka ane ka email. Shortlist eligible candidate based on their biodata will be informed for the interview by email. The candidate's original document will be verified at a later stage. Candidate kibala pa ke biodata ke jong pi haka email insa pentip pi ya ka interview bat ki dokumen di jong pi ki de banlong original namdai jong ki wei. Tetang kini ke pentip kublai sibun.